we are finally switching gears. We are off to plumbing. I got some plumbing stuff down there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll take you in the garage area so you can kind of see what I've come up with so far. We don't have anything glued yet, but it's coming along. That would be for our drain, our sinks. That there will be for our pooper. We are trying to figure out what shower system we're wanting to go with and where the drain is for that. And we are going to take that pipe out on a 45 through that hole towards the washroom. And yeah, so we'll put you on time lapse so you guys can follow along and see my struggles, because I'm not a plumber. Well, I'm not a carpenter either, so we'll put you on time lapse.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Okay everybody, we have all the plumbing in. We have it stubbing out. Let me turn you around. So we have shower stub outs are there. The sink is going to be there. Our toilet is there. And then that pipe runs underneath the garage there, out that way. Okay. It runs from over there around, comes to there, down the hallway here, before we get to the hallway, we have the washer and the sink there. We have, if you can see back through there, we have the toilet there. All that connects through this way, and it connects to the main. And then we have the tub assembly, runs down to the main, and then it runs out that way to the septic tank. So with that being said, I am going to put you guys up on the tripod here, and we got this here fancy $60 test ball. You inflate it, you put it inside your pipe and inflate it, and then that way I can fill the system with water. So we can fill the system with water. I don't have enough caps to cap it all, and I'm tired of running back and forth to the store, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cap in the main, and then I'll have my wife come in and help me out, and we'll fill it up with water. I'll try to fill it up with the master, and that way hopefully everything gets tested here. We might put some in the traps and see if make sure the traps are good, but we'll show you all that. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on the tripod, and we'll take you outside and put this plug in the pipe out there. Almost dropped that in there. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. So this ball says 30 psi. All right. So it says that's 30 psi. It feels tight, so I'll get the water hoses together, and we'll get the wife out here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, there's no leaks. So we got the hose. Now we gotta figure out how to get the wife out here. Alright, stay tuned. So I got her filling it up. I just need to come over here to make sure that we don't have no water coming through. Don't look like it, so that's a plus. Sorry for the shaky camera. The gimbal is dead. You still letting her rip, babe?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. We have it filled up. So far, so good. No leaks. We filled it up from back here in the master. Let me see if I can get you to see that. So there is water in there. Okay. We did have a small purge right here. Looks like the water settled a little bit, but it is full water. Full of water. So we will I will keep an eye on it, and we will definitely just keep an eye on it. Make sure that there's no leaks anywhere. I'm sweating to death. It's hot. I have a good joke for that, but I won't say it. But yeah, just going through and looking at all the joints and all the connections and everything. It looks good. Looks good. No leaks anywhere. I am pleasantly surprised. We have water in all of them in the. Sorry guys, I got you guys on this tripod and it's not wanting to. It's not cooperating with me. But we do have water in all of our pipes there for the washer and for the tub and the sink in there. So looks good. Make sure this out here isn't leaking, because this will throw off my reading here. Let me set you guys down for a second. All right guys, looks good.